Welcome to the Ins Podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, lapha emakhaya. Thank you, siyabonga. Sesibuyile. Purple Shepherd, Law, Mr. Too Blessed to be stressed. Semachiteni once again. Want to send a special shout out to everybody, man, that's been subscribing, following us, and showing us some love on social media. Please do subscribe. Press that button of subscription and subscribe and become part of the family, man. Siyabonga for the love, and keep on following our work on social media, and do spread the love as well. Ngihamba ngihamba namawatsi semachiteni tankwe ace.
Yes. Lesithatha amajita sibuyile sikanje. Andile wakangcobo Ace Mahashule uShulex Mesonot. Sikhona sibuyile namajita lesithathu ngiyazi esihlala ukusho lesithathu amajita imphucile unkanyuso namhlanje kaKesar buyele Kesar. Sila bungane wami.
I know, guys. Jack Kalala in the business. First of his name, second to none, king to the wise, wise to the kings. We're here. We're gonna make it happen. Easy.
Yes.
Welcome to the His Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Ikamunkanyiso Nqome, your co-host. Sisemachiteni. UShulex uyithathile intambo zakhe namhlanje. Lesithatha ama-out, lesithatha amajita. Thank you, majiteni.
Thank you, siyabonga. Hayi sesikhona. Nyaka uyaphela manje. Usho yatatazela manje, uyabona kuyabheda ayikho lento yakho. Adu manje. Ulokhu uthi uzosleep. Uzobe manje awasleep. Lokuthi uzoya ejimini namandla awajim. Lokuthi uzoba nemali namandla awunamali. Athina basi.
Ecupha abantu. Uyaphela nyake. Amakhoze imali.
Bazovele bashintshe iye bathi 2026 new me.
Mfethu. Njalo new nje.
Hayi ngide ngilahla sangalamba.
Wrong lento. Wrong lento new year new me.
This is my year.
Change it,
Mashaya cool. This is my year.
No, it's not the one.
Wena uzangisho na
I
lona.
mean, I've never ever in my life.
Awukholelwa.
No, I know I've never believed in that.
You said ghost though.
No.
Yeah.
No. Mina bengiphile mka. Bengiphile on the next day as it comes.
Waputiwa strat.
Living in the streets.
When do you find time to accomplish those goals? Because you always on the following day you here, the next day you there, the following day after that one you on the road, and then on Friday maybe you lele, ukhathele, Saturday usalele still, and then on Sunday you have to leave again. So there was never a time.
Do you believe in setting up goals?
Yeah, I do. Obviously,
Oh.
I do. It makes sense.
Yeah.
But if you are a very focused person, I mean, I was not focused. I don't even want to I was not focused. No, I was not.
So shuthi lo nyaka Abraham umasha nomoya. This is
Time just went by.
Freestyle. When do you find time?
wow.
Yeah, there was never a time where I could say, okay, I'm setting up even a week goal. Yeah, it was Monday. I'm not even here. Tuesday is Kabang Ubuwe. Wednesday, yeah, I'm back, but I'm tired. Yeah, I need to rest. Thursday, maybe I'm taking my clothes to the laundry, whatever. Make sure the house is clean because I'm preparing to leave on Friday. Yeah, so even on Thursday, it might happen. If there's no time for it, also because I need to wake up, go cut my hair, clean the house, do whatever. I still have maybe like young yana shopping that I need to do. So and there was never a time.
Philly
I'm not saying-
kakhulu Shulex.
Yeah, it was.
Philly's out.
Yasazi
It's out.
Easy, no
long as I woke up in the
direction.
morning.
Yasazi is out.
Yeah.
He's known as he's out.
But But that's what I always try to make you guys understand. There's different lives for everyone, yabo. So there's people who wake up and like have like serious goals. I want to do this for myself.
ushepadi nanje kaqamba wami kunawo lamagolo
Unawo.
eh
Yeah.
sure.
Une 10-year plan, but why? 10 years. I was like, fuck, bro, 10 years. Ah,
wonke
10. Shepies, what if we are shower S9? Where do you show?
ngeke ngizobe ngiyaphi sazophila mina shulax bayafa bafa asefika
I think this is for
nah, I'm not
forbid,
in doubt, bro.
God forbid, but
no
I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm not saying
even if
nice.
angafobhida ngindawo mina ngifuna hayi buto akazufa ngazophila mina manje to
how far shepiri ngamaplani akho
nah mina for this year I think financially I did it like 2 months ago. I managed to make the money that I said I was going to make this year, like 2 months ago. We were sorted, you know, when I was with my financial advisor. So I owe you, but some of the other things, so I'm still pushing. I don't look at everything that way. I mean, I always follow seasons. You know, my life is based on seasons. So I understand the type of season that I'm on right now, you know, where I could say like God is really stretching me in terms of like expanding my capacity, you know, entertaining for now. So I'm never so young big. Ibuyela nje isizini lekuyona manje hayi konke bese kuyahlangana. Yeah.
ilast isikhathi esinganani isizini yakho
For me, I've understood one thing, you know, when I'm in the season it's always going to be about what I've been building, you know, in a couple of years. So right now I'm experiencing there's those cuts. So we'll see what I manage. See a mash, you know, and nothing is going to stop me now, you know. Yeah. So I can't say we'll see last this guy you know, but I know would say what I'm saying good pieces, you know. And we have one of the season must try. I go back try. No more enzani brazo. Gwele ngahlangani. Noma ungathini thina wazuthanda fast wenze konke ukuchatha wenze konke akuhlangani lutho. So I've tried to cultivate, you know, and understand my season, you know. So for me, I like I'm saying right now, I see the thing you and Razo. Just God opening doors and introduce me to Lavante Atom Debafuna, you know, and yeah.
Is it happening for you?
You know, it's happening. Yeah, you know, it's
Ushepuzatela poetry 20. That's one of the things if you never see Shiley Shombo with Emachiten, there's no moon to best represented up of face. Yeah, I don't take it lightly. bro.
no, it was I won't lie, bro. That's one of a lifetime opportunity, dog.
Yeah.
And for me to be in the room, that's all you need, dog. And it really Asian face, you know, and the people that I met there, and you know, when you sit and uzabantu bekhuluma ngenamba serious, you know, and these are people that handle like I'm a hedge funds for big companies globally. Abanye they own banks, abanye they are minister of finance for countries, you know, and they're in the room and you know, conversation available, you know. But other than that, it's for me, I was really it was an honor and a privilege. So those relationship now, sometimes but hey, it's who you know, man. No matter talent, nothing's gonna happen. So I think sometimes when opportunities come, it cases of what we prepare in, you know. So I was really honored to be part of but again, other than that, more than anything, but scam I'm a cheater with because you know when you're looking at that declaration document that was declared on Saturday, Moibuka la mpahla mfethu yonke lanto into vele manje bekade mfethu bebeyidiscussa, so it's not like something new and nothing is gonna happen, you know, afterward. Because ushayile Monday, yi-nation chief. We're still gonna carry on. And as much as South Africa mfethu ishayile inyuke, especially in Joburg, ngayo le mpahla, but still impilo nje mfethu yomuntu nje, ordinary person is not gonna change. Yabo.
Yes, Shepherd, I mean, if maybe you can make an example of what is being spoken about like phakathi kanti what is the setting like, who comes in, who's allowed, who's not allowed to come in,
Also,
do they have like different conferences which
Yeah,
is
they-
namanje, you
yeah,
vote
they
for
do
this
have-
one and
Yeah, they have different conferences that are happening there, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, the one that I was with, it was on Thursday. So it was more like infrastructure and investment in Africa and stuff. So you had guys from Japan, Australia, and some guys from Nigeria, Kenya. President of Nigeria was there. Other guys from Zambia and other European countries as well. We EU, Bebelcon and others as well. German and all of them. So mainly these are just like investors who want to invest in Africa. So now they're looking for opportunity where they can invest, you know, in terms of infrastructure or, you know, or so basically there was that on Thursday and then Friday. So there are different locals and Nenzagala during the whole G20 thing. And then on Friday it was for all these or President Nan, then Saturday as well. Then Yapela Sunday. Yeah, Yapela Sunday. Yeah, so basically it's that. And la match itaphetsimeza lapha azelenje indaba zokuthi phethu umuntu uzorepresenta afike laphana asho ukuthi hayi no thina phethu njenge Canada or njengani siyavumelana nokuthi. I mean usuke nje zele lokho dog phela
okay.
azosho ukuthi hayi no nathi we fully agree with clean energy. We're going that way now, no longer gonna use the locals. That's it. You know, and Nami, I know my country, Nami, I've with no, now everything must be tokenized. And that is say late. You know, that's it. So they waste money on that.
So how long does it take, like for a day? How
The
long
whole
does it
day,
last?
bro. I think my colleague saying that Lampasla on the actual event where there's also presidents and stuff from all across the other countries. So he colleague saying in Pelin, and then they have a gala dinner later. You know, because even now I'm there, like the whole thing exciting, and then later there was a gala dinner where all these guys are invested. Okay, they decide to go to we investing in Mali and like they literally a kalang in la pana pras. The village in Jata we're gonna invest 100 million, not in rands, in dollars, bro. You know, Ashinja is like we're gonna invest $50 million. You know, so all of these money is going to be invested in Africa, all these different countries in Africa.
If I would say this money is going direct to do this thing, or maybe to this account, and then they don't, or maybe you know.
No, but sure, like normally what they were saying, if they're supporting in the clean energy,
yeah,
so they're gonna
target those.
that.
the
So if they're
companies that deal
supporting
with.
AI, you know, to
Yeah.
build data centers, they will target that. So kuleyo country ukuthi new bayenza njani.
Or maybe mhlampe it goes through the channels of
course.
departments. So
Yeah,
if we're saying now we investing in energy, maybe we're speaking to the energy and minerals minister.
yeah.
And if you're saying we're investing in AI and technology, maybe
But-
we're speaking to the technology minister
Yeah.
that
But most of those guys, like those are private investors.
investors.
And most they are and then most they are private bankers and they own their own bank, so they're just there for opportunity, straight up. You know, whoever maybe you have a company that you've been running and then you just need investment, so they are willing because you know there was so many guys who were just even Navanya from Egypt. Actually, would say we're looking for opportunity. Mali corner, see pets.
Yeah.
So let's talk. What you guys have? Then we're gonna invest. You know. So yeah, it was one of those things. But for me, I say, man, other than the networking, I think it did help me. But the whole thing,
So kahle hle ifanele indaba lesukenzeka SSC
Straight mfethu.
Exhibition.
Kuyaxoxa mfethu laphana mfethu. Yabo kulokukhulunywa mfethu and bayathanda ukukhuluma labantu lawana yabo. But akho shit abazolenza bro. You know, it's just like talk, nothing else. Because impilo zabantu zingeza. Yeah, shit mfethu. Uyoqhutshekwa nje yabo. Lokuthiwa hayi no sizokwenza ukuthi senze ukuthi kungenziwa lutho. Yabo. So but yeah man.
Kanyisa. Uthini ma-plans akho? Unyuya nyumi wakho uhamba kanjani?
Hambe grand. It's not what I like to discuss publicly.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's been a growth season
Yeah.
for me for the past 3 years, but different growth because it's not mainly financial. I've never been obsessed with money.
Yeah.
So, because I always know good, we can always make money.
Yeah.
I don't know why or how, but there's always that knowing that. But I just wanted to grow and establish how my systems are different. And one of my biggest goals was to see podcasts up and running again.
Mm.
That fucked me up last year for the whole fucking year. But how can I fucking get this thing moving? But that and in my systems I go on a margin the consistency. That's one of the highlights of the year. And then other things get again. But yeah. But I do set goals. Yeah, our next day I do have an idea, but I just have to sit down and structure them properly. But yeah. Angayena umuntu opilivela kuma-goals, yes, because nambe ngiyifanele na ngiyiphilela impilo ukuthi nje I think I was coming from a space of survival, but now that I can see ukuthi things happen and I understand what is an opportunity, and then my goal settings try to align with the opportunities ahead more than anything. It's not mainly achieving something, it's aligning with, because that's what I realized. Like, yazi mfethu le nkinga onayo
Yeah.
kukhona umuntu osothi wakhona solution
Yeah.
and ongakusolvela yona nje easy.
Easy.
It's just a matter of you aligning with that person or communicating with that person or being at the right place at the right time. That's it. So noma yiphi inkinga onayo mfethu uyabona ukuthi mfethu kunomuntu. Like for example umnganami wayefuna isister lakhe laline idea yokuthi lifuna ukuthatha impahla zasesibhedlela lizikroshe lizirecyclishe lenze impahla lenze ama-bags lenzeni. Umngane wenza i-phone call eyodwa wathi uma yenza i-call kuleso sibhedlela leso wanikeza i-call omunye umjito ophethe. Lo mjito ophethe umefonela phakathi kwathiwa mfethu sinenkinga, lezo ingubo lezo zigcwele indlu and sifuna ukuzilahla but asikwazi ukuzilahla. Ungafika ngisho nane-truck uzoyilahla
Thatha
zonke. Do you understand? So right now kunenkinga onayo mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uzokuthatha ikubeke istep esilandelayo. It's like ukubuka ingane encane. Ukubona inkinga zey'ngane ey'ncane uyibone ukuthi hawu wayingenzi kanje le ngane.
Uyabona sazi ngamsiza lo.
Yabo uthola ukuthi kwangane encane uthola ukuthi izokhalela ukuthi kune-obstacle encane mhlawumbe kunebhakede phambi kwalo. Ufuthi wena into okwazi ukuyisusa nayo ingawokhi ngale, but because aliyicabangi kanjalo and then angazithi inkinga enkulu so nakuthi kanjalo. So that's what I understand. So now I just want to align properly. That's it.
Kalala.
Question.
Ama-goals
We are
akho
speaking about goals, eh?
Yeah.
We are
We are actually understand. Le chocolate zakho shoda nuts phansi.
we are married.
And marinate.
Ayawuza bana.
I know. For me, I obviously set goals. I've been setting goals. I think I was introduced to the idea in grade 10.
Yeah.
I think that's when I started like really venturing into business. So for this year, I think this year has been a great success in most of the spheres of my life. Most of the things that I've set for, because I'm chasing my 10-year plan, and I did get some delays, in terms of certain things that I should have achieved based on where I was supposed to be. So I managed to cover on some of the aspects, which I think it's just God's grace, but it happened, And when I look back at the 10-year plan, I'm like, wow, I'm getting. It's not a dream anymore. I was actually telling someone, I'm just going to use an example, and I don't want anyone to say, Uguti, this is real. When you set a goal and you're like, I want to be making 50 rand a month, and at that time you're making 50 cents. That goal seems impossible. And then you start to pursue that goal. You become a person that's worth 50 rand. And then the journey from 50 cents to 50 rand exposed to you that because I could move from 50 cents to 50 rand, I can move from 50 rand to 500 rand, from 500 to 5,000, 5,000 to 50,000 to 500,000. And it's so beautiful to see that it's possible, because I think when you set a goal, most people overestimate, they set a crazy goal. I want to be fit in 2 weeks. And then and then they justify failing, because it was a crazy goal that they set. And then some people underestimate what they can do in 2, 5, 10 years. So I think finding that sweet spot for me has allowed me to be able to achieve so many things in pursuit of something I'm going for in 10 years, rather than trying to, get rich quick. And then you spend a long time trying to find the shortcut. And then you realize that there's no shortcut.
Yeah.
So yeah, this year's been beautiful. Even as I reflect, I can see so many things falling into place, meeting the right people, understanding yourself, wanting to grow. And one of the things that I've really honed this year was that your mindset is 99% the reality that you're going to live. And when I say that, I mean the reality that you're going to live, meaning it's a future tense. Your mindset is not your reality and cannot be your reality, because your reality is limiting. But you need to ensure that your reality is not your mindset for the future, because you won't grow. You need your future ideas to be bigger than your current situation. And then that shapes your mind, because when you have a strong mindset, nothing is impossible. And I mean that in the fullest sense of the word, that you first need to believe that everything is possible, even when you're setting your goals. And then there's a beauty that comes from it. Yeah, I think, that's my reflection for the year. But I close my year usually in September. So September, when I get to the end of September, I'm done with the year. October, November, December is festive.
So it's very cruising.
Yeah, we want the cruise lane. Because September, when I close, I spend a lot of time in October reflecting, writing what I want to achieve in the coming years. That's what allows me to even do work in December, because I already know what I'm going to achieve in the next year. So usually I even advise people that don't wait for December, because December is one of those months where each weekend something is happening. It's the 7th, the 14th, the 24th, 31st. You don't really have much time to sit down and reflect, because everyone is telling you, hey, we need to do this for the family. We need to meet up here. We need to do this. Or you just burnt out. It's been a long year. You want to relax your mind. You want to calm down, spend time with the family. But now when you start planning in January for your year, the people who planned in October are moving. See, when now you're waking up in January thinking, hey, this is my year. It was our year last year for this year, you see. So we've already taken that step that you're still trying to get yourself to catch up to. But yeah, but I think a better value for the people is also maybe just throwing the question out there. How do we go about setting these goals? Like, and what constitutes a goal? Like, what's a goal?
Danke Mjakado.
Obviously, abantu bahlukile masi, yabo. Abahlukile. You have to understand that. I think it's one of the things that we have struggled with ngabantu yabo ukuthi khona umuntu yabo njengo-Eze nje uyayi-freestyle and ku-right ayikho into wrong yabo. And so khona it always depends umuntu ukuthi ukuphi nempilo yabo because khona omunye mfethu ongawa-set up ama-goals yabo but into zakhe zenzeke yabo because manje
Industries where money comes very easy.
yeah but manje nakhona like lento ayibuzayo ucheck ukuthi omunye umuntu uyakwazi ukwenza into uthole ukuthi it was never even a goal to lowo muntu yabo but yenzeke leyo nto mawuthi uyambuza ukuthi buyigoli lethi hayi it wasn't but yenzekile yabo. So I think also depend nabantu fethu ukuthi how they go about it but kona ukuthatha ama-goals kubalulekile nje mayikabi you know. I mean I think la mpahla leyana more than anything it holds you accountable, you know, and you become responsible because you can't set goals bro ma umuntu ongakwazi ukuhlala wedwa yabo. Inkinga ilapho fethu because la mpahla ikudinga wedwa la mpahla, you know, idinga nje ukusolo ukuthi uwedwa bras because iningi lethu alikwazi ukuyihlala nje same machine sonke. So usithola nini isikhathi sokuhlala wedwa ninicabanga because ama-goals but ilawo waqala uwasetha khona musuwedwa ungekho nabantu yabo. So le shawayo ngabo December ukuthi hayi no January akusengayona that's why isheshe ifadalale le mpahla after 2 weeks so thuli asisakuzwa nabo mbukathi usitshela ukuthi unyaka wakho bangapha bebethu unyaka wabo namanje bazayishizile, you know. So but yeah man I think it's different for everyone man. Yeah le mpahla le
yazi I think abantu bayawasetha ama-goal bonke but they're not intentional with their goals. Like for example kunomuntu yena wazi ukuthi nge-weekend kumele ashibize and that's a goal. And kunomuntu owaziyo ukuthi yena kumele ayespana udinga inyuka, you know, and that's a goal. Just that most people are not intentional with their goals. I think that's what you're saying. Bayawasetha ama-goals but they are not intentional with their goals and mhlawumbe bawabhali phansi as hectic as abanye abantu.
no phela uyasaba la mpahla phela like I'm saying once wayibhala la mpahla ikufaka emashini awukwazi ukuyigoqa, you know. Awukwazi ukuthi ufuna ukuthi by this time ubusowenza into ekanje nanje musuwenza noma kanjani le mpahla ikubuyisa ko discipline yenza sure la nombolo ukuthi uselayinini awulokhu usigoqa la ulokhu ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba ukuthi kodwa ama-habits akhe awasondeli nokusondela kulento efuna. So that's why most of people don't set them because basaba lokho yabo. So that's why umuntu angayixaki nokuyixaka athi mina nje hayi no angiwasethi mina ama-goals ngiya-freestyle ngoba usaba uyazi once wasetha ama-goals phela izomashela ngoba phela manje ayingamlomo-ke leya nombolo ikubiza elayinini dog uthe wena manje wawusuwenza kanje ngoba phela wadi wena and sikhona-ke nathi uma umemezile sokukhumbuza wawushilo nje wawushilo asibone phela, you know what I mean. So a lot of people basaba lokho because leya mpahla leya it's not for everyone plus, you know. So njengobusho nje for me I think it's fair, you know, like because many of us we just love distraction dog because more distracted ubanam because uyazi vele you're not accountable to anyone, to anything, so why must you even worry? So you might as well just keep floating. So ubona khona makwenze makungenziwa kwenziwa makwenza kuyenze, you know. So it's one of those things, man, you know, that are not just for everyone. And but like I'm saying, for me, if once you decide to say you want to set up goals, you got to be by yourself.
Yeah.
You can't set up goals just to win. Usaphila nabantu nabangani nokuthi bathini baya ngaphi laba bathi hayi mashi le bras.
Shule kusena wayengawasethi ama-goal athi sike sibuze wena.
Oh, wena kade kuthi manje awasethi na ama-goals manje.
Hayi mina ngisho kanjalo ngithe ngiyawasetha.
Hayi yamuzwa
Ungalalelanga.
Awu.
Hayi ubungalalelanga.
No shilo wathi yasethu.
Ngiyawasetha benginegol mina this year.
Yes, but wathi bungabuye yena ubumuntu ongajwayele.
Dala ngangayena. So manje uShepherd
So mina ngiyese stage sakho sadala.
ayongibambile.
Ngiyadla. What's umbuzo wakho?
Ubuzela kulo mbuzo waShepard ukuthi abantu abaningi abawasethi ama-goal because of fear. So wena uthe awasethi ama-goal because ububhizi.
No. I wouldn't put it like that. So it's being busy. I'd say I was comfortable where I was.
Ngithanda iqiniso lakho Raz.
Yeah, I was comfortable because I didn't have so many responsibilities. What I could make I could afford myself with everything, with the amount of money I could make. Remember this other time we had a conversation. Uguti, there's a point where you get to in life and you reflect on so many things that you could have achieved, and when you look at time, because everything with time it opens right in front of your eyes. It unfolds. So there's a time where I just sat in the house. I was like, I'm getting old. I can no longer be comfortable with this kind of money and making this money. I need to, because now I'm getting so many phone calls from back home. They don't understand which when we tour like this, when you do whatever you do, you're getting money, but as much as there is money, but it's like you're getting money monthly. And already when month end hits, you already have to pay for something, and you pay for where you live, you have to buy food, you have to afford yourself also. I need to look clean, I need to smell nice, I need to all of those things. So I'd say I was very comfortable with where I was, and yeah, there's no two ways about it. I was very comfortable with where I was. And also I wouldn't say it wasn't a goal, because when you live as gents and you plan, which as in Machita, this is where we want to see ourselves in the next 2-3 years. But you do that collectively as a group. You understand? So it's no longer your goal only. It's everything we get now, or maybe every achievement we get is for us, is for everyone. You understand? So when that happens, you celebrate it as a group. So I did partially have goals, but I wouldn't say it was goals for myself. Personally, I didn't have. Yes, it was a collective thing. Would say this is what we need to do. This is what we need to achieve. So the focus is, if we put our best efforts into this thing, and then we'll be able to live off this thing for the next 5, 6, 7 years. Until the phone call back home comes in, and then you realize, it doesn't really help. Planning together. Because ekugcineni olet lakho alifoni lithi awucela lapho kuShepard phela ukuthi uzothini, and then they phone now and again, also realizing the more I grow up, also they also grow up on their end. 2 years, 3, 4, 5 years from now, they be looking into retirement. They understand I'm the oldest son at home, so I need to really man up and stand up for not only myself, but your generation is when they all look up to me. About to an extent, remember we spoke, I said to you, I'm at a point where I'm realizing, I sit with myself and I realize I need to change my ways. Now and again, I wasn't someone who used to go home a lot, but now I find myself going home a lot, because I'm trying to find the same thing, the same inspiration that made me leave home. I went home when I think now 4 days ago.
Yeah.
And then I woke up in the morning, 6 a.m. Went home, spent the day at home. The following day, there was nothing wrong. I just was there for everyone. I wanted to see everyone. I wanted to speak to everyone. There's a time when not even nabantu basekhaya, but ngifuna ukuhamba emgaqweni, ngifuna ukukhuluma nawo wonke umuntu engizohlangana naye, because I need to revisit everything that I used to dream about. Sit in the same spot where I used to sit before. Look at the same spot where I used to look at, and then find myself dreaming a long time ago. And I did that. It felt very refreshing online. I was very refreshed. It's iyabuya imemory masuhleli lapha phansi usubuka exactly where you used to look to ukuthi kambe wathi uzokwenza nokuthi. So I'm in that position. For hopefully maybe next year I'll have goals. Maybe I'll fight for those goals. I don't know. I don't know.
Maybe a question or maybe something you can get guided on
Yeah.
is there's certain people who want to set goals.
Yeah.
Just like you, they revisit their dream and they say, no, I need to set goals. Maybe Ganyiso Shepherd, let's speak to these people that want to set goals. What are some of the things they should be careful of, or some of the steps they can take towards setting these goals so that they don't just become aspirations, but they become things that they can actually achieve?
Because what's nice about it also, I went home and mengifika mfethu ngifica intwana yami yabo. Intwana yami iyadweba manje ishaya visual arts. I-visual arts ithi le mpahla ukuthi wenzele ishandisa kanje. Yeah, i-visual yashandisa ingikhombisa efonini. Yabo. Ngiyayibuka le nto ngasho ukuthi yes, singazi abantu abaningi abayigwile abadwebele le nto eyidwebile wena yabo. So right now also mase ngibuya ekhaya ngiyacabanga on my way back I'm like I need to help him because I'm seeing wealth in this thing. I saw wealth on his phone. That's what I saw. I even said to him, because udweba kwi-computer yabo, I said to him, nah, there's no way le nto le iphelele la, yabo. So now I want to start going around and try and help him, but I want to go around now, visit indawo zamaya art galleries and all those things yabo. Just find izinto engizokwazi ukuthi when because he's not here. So I need to call him now and again. Hey, usukuphi yabo? And then maybe find indlela yokuthi ngimtholele opende. Because I asked him, I would say, can you do this on a canvas? What is this is very easy. It's just I don't have these things yabo. And emqondweni ngisho ukuthi yes. Don't need money yabo. And akimtshelanga phela because I saw le nto ngiyibone lapha mfethu. Bengiloye ngithi ilokithi no ngiyadweba but I've never seen it. Yabo, no angithe mase ngiyibona mfethu ngathi yes yabo. And we went on so many guys that I also mina ngiyayithanda i-art yabo. Ama-pieces la personally ngiyawathanda. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ayabiza but ngiyafisa ukuthi abe khona endlini yabo. Hayi ziyabiza lezi zinto. So I showed him pictures on Instagram zamajita amaningi oWanda oSiphephelo bonke lamajita la eThekwini, and fortunately uWanda wangasekhaya. Yabo, it's not far from asekhaya. So ngimkhombisa ithi uyamona lo mjida lo kanje wahlala leyana sajwayele ukudlala ibhola khona athi ya ngiyakubona lapha. Ngithi le out ibuka khombisa izithombe ihleli no Alicia Keys Blackhoff bana exhibit phesheya ngiyamkhombisa ehlele ibita ehlathini edweba dog. I was like, "Buga, you can also do this." And I was very inspired, yabo. So also it didn't also help me alone, yabo. I also got a chance to ngithole intwana yasekhaya like home because we always preach ukuthi mfethu you need to help people, yabo. But I didn't know ukuthi intwana ekhaya nayo idinga usizo, yabo, which is nice because now I've also realized ukuthi this akumina kuphela ufuna ukwenza lento but khona omunye ufuna ukuyenza, so let me like give him opportunities ukuthi akwazi ukuyenza. That's it. So maybe one of my goals next year is that in my journey of refinding myself, but let me also bring him along with first. No, this is the yabo. It's a win. This is a way of living, yabo. And letting ngibonile as well, dog. As well.
Ngiyakuzwa kahle yabona kunenye into mina futhi esiyazi ngifundayo manje, especially kulo nyaka. Bese ngibasizile abantu besef, but ngiyarealize ukuthi man ngazi ukuthini hayi ngifocus kumina, yabo. Anginandaba nokuthi untswempu kanjani, yabo, ngazi bani, ngithi nje ngila kumina mfethu, yabo. And yazi mfethu kushaya umoya, angathi mfethu ngisusa umthwalo because benginalento yokuthi ngifuna ukusave wonke umuntu, yabo. Ngifuna ukusiza wonke umuntu, yabo. Iy'ntwana mfethu hlezi yabo nesikipho esigqokile eseyintwana hlezi sekusay mfethu nayo into yami le, and ngiyarealize sekusay yazi ukuthini sengiyikhohliwe mina mfethu, yabo. Senginaka abantu mfethu, senginey'nkinga manje engingazazi manje, sengubaba nguJesu ngiyabona hayi no man, ake ngisave mina manje, before I save other people, because I feel like sometimes we eat as much as we have a good heart and we want to see people beba grand. But I feel like sometimes ma-arts kumele sibe selfish ngathi man. Yazi ube wena futhi ube right yabo ubusubothi awuthi ma sengigrandile.
Yeah.
Ayizengabatakula-ke man. But yabona uma ungabe ukho right wena uqala ukutakula engathi bavele bakusinde futhi yazi ugcine futhi usungasafiki nala ufuna ukuya khona.
Yeah.
Mina bro, what I've been doing, it's been like almost 2 to 3 years now. And I realized that the only thing that has been delaying me to be where ngimele ngabe khona ile nto kube ngifuna ukuya nabantu phambili. Kanti angakaphumi ngento. Do you understand? So what I'm trying to say is sometimes there's siyayidinga la nto ukuthi ube selfish bethu. Yabo until ngempela ubone ukuthi yabo popa grandi ke manje. Then hayi bafowethu wozani ke. Nasi stepis. Yabo. Cause manje lento bese yazi uyibona ilight wena. Yabo. And then musu ufuku yoba memese ukuthi kusay light ikhona. Wey! La ngathi yona mfiti ngathi yona into vele delay isele ngempela ukuthi ngeke uyibone. Usuyibonile kodwa ngeke ke lighting. Cause manje ufuna ukudonsa bonke labantu yabo. Ungafiki wena lighting. Yeah. Hey. Awuze batshela ama steps amagol lapho kalalu uze nawo.
I know, but let me share a story, ne?
Yeah.
Because I'm someone who helps. Right? I help people. It's my nature. And I have techniques that I've adopted to helping people. Because what Shepherd is telling you is clinical. You know, there's this idea where you can't help someone who doesn't want to be helped. You understand that idea? It's very difficult. You know, someone who doesn't want to be helped, you know, there's shoes to go run. No, I don't like the socks that I have. You buy him socks, puma with this shorts. Skin that's got a t-shirt, bazotina, abantu bengibona ngigijima. When ufuna ukumsiza ukuthi agijima, so umthengele icathulo ama socks, pants, if uni t-shirt. Sethi akawazi ukugijima yedwa, cela umvuse ekseni. Uthi ufika ekseni, athi no, yazini ngiyalamba.
Ngani endleleni.
Ngibuye athi sengilambile manje wangigishimisa sengilambile.
Yeah.
Umuntu onjalo will drag you to the ground and you will regret trying to help them.
Yeah.
So I developed techniques because sometimes these people are your family members. And it's not like something you can just say, switch off. You know, it's like, because there's a lot of people come to me, Jack, mentor me, I need help, give me advice. I have the same advice for everyone. And it almost tests your desire to change. You know, if I tell someone, call me at 12, let's say someone asks me for money, I always do this. I'm like, call me tomorrow at 12. 12:01, and give me phone. Once you miss 12, I won't pick up. Clamping around 5 p.m., ngikufonela ngithi hawu bengithe kufonela nge-12. Ethi yazi ngikufonela ngithe ufonela ngo-12:01. Call me tomorrow ngo-6 p.m. If they miss that 6 p.m. paylead, I'll never help them again. If you can't be consistent when you need something, you'll never be consistent when the thing you need is moving away from you. Do you understand? So a lot of people, you have to be able to understand what this person is a sinking ship. No matter how much I try to bring them onto the sea, teach them that they will sink. And you test that, like I give someone a book. Someone saying, I want to change my life. I'm like, okay, read chapter 1, 2, and 3. Call me when you're done and let's have a discussion. That would be the end of my mentoring for them. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
I saved myself months of trying to carry this dead weight. I gave you a simple task. Read these 3. And I come back. I'm like, have you ever read? I'll go read that, man. I'm going to help you. Same thing. They won't read the book. If they don't want to change, there's nothing you can do. You see? But on the positive side, you know, when I first came to Durban, I think I told the story. I started working. My first job, I was tutoring. I was going to Kloof, and I'd hike back to Durban. On the freeway and hiking, totally leave. Sometimes go 15 rand, sometimes a coke. It depends on who picks me up. But once I found my feet, I have my younger brother that's just under me. I went home, I'm tired. I came with him here. And I was like, I'm paying for your rent for the first 4 months. Then you're on your own. I'm taking a little closer, and I connected him. Everyone I knew that needed something that he could do. And while I was pushing here, everything I learned, I would tell him to go do it. I told him, go learn how to use Canva. Go learn how to use Photoshop, because those were the things that were making me money here. go learn how to do websites, go learn how to do this. When he came here, 4 months, I paid his rent, bought him food. I was like, pushag. And what I can say is that there's been months where I need 100K. Gimfonel. It's Bob, I need 100K in my account. Had I went alone, I would never have Bob to call.
Yeah.
You get the drift. And after I took him, I went back, I took another boy. This is my cousin. But he was like, if it works for, I told Bob, I'm paying 2 months, you're going to pay 2 months. We're both going to buy him groceries. Do you understand? Sharp. Now he's pushing weight. He has a wife now. He has a kid. But if I tell you, when I took him from home, he was failing grade 9. I was struggling for him, hurting him. I was like, this kid, this thing will never work for him. But so I figured out some funding skills, and he started pushing. You see? So what I'm trying to say is that there's a real return when you help someone who wants to be helped. A very real return. But there's also a real danger in helping someone who does not want to be helped. Hence, you develop techniques. This kid that you're saying this for, test him with the book. Say, Ntwana yam, I see you to Durban. Read chapter 1 and 2, and then you're going to come to Durban for 2 weeks. Uzobona ukuthi impilo injani la.
Yeah.
You see, because if he fails to read the 2 chapters, don't invite him to Durban. Because it discipline that he needs to succeed, he doesn't have it yet. And don't write him off, because I can give another example of this young boy. He's not my family member, but I told him, go and read Think and Grow Rich. Maybe 2 months later, I couldn't read the book, but I heard the audiobook. Saying the audiobook. I'm ready now to be rich. I was like, oh, you ready? There's another book. 2 months, 3 months, same stories. Like, hey, I tried, I read to chapter 3. But I could see something in him, Uguti. There's a growth that's happening. He keeps growing. He's picking up the pace. He's learning something. So that's something. But now he started his media company, Azam. He's trying something. But it was a longer journey than for someone else. You get that? For someone else, that journey was shorter because they wanted to change. For him, he still had to learn the hard way. Uguti, I have to finish this book. So always consider that when you want to help someone. Uguti, not everyone is the same. But to not help people can cost you in the future. You see, not helping is dangerous. Helping is dangerous. Just know how to. Sharp.
Like some futhi well disciplined. Yabo labantu abathulayo ngabeze bexoxa. The only time umuzo khuluma is if mhlawumbe ufuna something akubuze 1, 2, 3 lines done. Yabo, I didn't even know that side of him ukuthi angakhuluma that much, yabo. This is how much I think he wants this thing now. Yabo, because I've always had a conversation with him. He's never showed me anything. Yabo. Now and again, I'm not big on Facebook, but sometimes Noktola it DM once on Facebook from people I grew up with, yabo. Then it's how to get back. Man, get coming on Facebook, and now we posted it, but I didn't understand them at the time because he used to like mom some sort of like in day poster I want some cartoons, yabo. That's how I draw a conclusion. Which there be in but something he born phone is different from his day poster on Facebook, yabo. So on Facebook angazi why he post izinto noma mhlawumbe uyayigatekeeper. This is his best work. Le ayibona ukuthi ufuna validation ngayo athi ngi5 Facebook ngibona abantu bazothina yabo. So that's why ngangazi ithatha serious. So intwana highlighted discipline lana ikhuluma ihluphi ayizuli uhlezi ehleli ekhaya. Uma ufuna ukubuza umuntu oyedwa uthi khona ba ekhaya uyazi for sure khona yini. No miss usekhaya nje. Ngebuza ukuthi uhambe lapha akazadlala kwabhola akaku interested ku sports ayifunela lutho nje. Umbuzo right ya uhlezi right. So hello depends, yabo. But also going back to that issue with Shepherd, I feel like the more as we grow up, we realize we see there's so many things we miss out because we wanted to achieve things collectively, yabo. Yeah, there's so many opportunities we do miss.
Yeah, by the side.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice online. It's nice. It's very nice, Shepherd.
I know. Yeah,
It's nice.
Gosh, Pirgi,
I was because nabantu abamnyama bro.
Yeah.
I think we still have a long way to go. Kusakuningi mfethu esingakusebenzi kahle emakhanda, because time and time again, somehow, bro, somehow, somewhere, sizonokana. Yabo ngento engekho and leyo nto isize yaba i-culture yabo, even if noma kuthiwa ke yabo ngeke yenzeke, but uba noloko ukusaba, you know, ukuthi abangishala, you know, and ibhlungu le nto mfethu because I wonder when you work as a team, as a collective, bro, into yeni iyashesha ukuya phambili and you know, because you have different minds, but kuyikhathini eyiningi mfethu yabo uthi uma ubuka mfethu indlela esichophana ngayo dog, yabo ngemali engekho yabo, and ibhlungu le nto because we are still struggling thina mfethu ngale mpahla okusebenza together yabo, and mfethu iyona solution yethu ukuthi kumele sisebenze sonke together ukuze sisheshe sifike ngoba sisele kakhulu, you know. So yeah, I'm trying to add lento eshoyo braso, angikuphikisi kodwa nje
Right.
For what you did, because how many people go back to their location la bakhulele khona bayo-check ukuthi shiya imoto ithatha ibhasi ithatha itaxi, walk le ndlela ezoyihamba sancane, and then like meet people babingelele. I'm sure now ubuqala ukwenza lento leyo noma you haven't
So
done
many
it in
since
a
I
while.
left home, yeah.
Just think of ukuthi how did it make you feel. Manje abantu thothu abantu bathi ayi lento angalengeyazi bakubona ku social media yasekasi have itshela
Yeah.
yabona ihlezi edlula ngemoto bebakuzonda they were misjudging you, but then now ngoba usukhuluma nabo bakubuka ngenye indlela, and then now you showing them direction, you're trying to pull them. How many people abavele bavula ama-soccer clubs ekasi, you understand, to get intwana to do something? How
be
many people
inspired.
abavula ama-art center? You know what, let me just go back to the place where I grew up. Let me just go back and then let me just open up an art
Reflect.
center.
Yeah.
Let me just open up a center where abantu bazibonisa iy'ngane zishare ama-talents abo and all those. And not a lot of us go back.
Yeah.
Election leads, I understand the Shepherd has been helping a lot of people, but then what about abantu bangakini la ukhulele khona? How bakubona kanjani? Bakubona, yes, bakubona sizabantu, but then what about thina? What about us?
no zaka, bro, I've helped them, you know. I mean, baningi mfethu, even families yabo, but baby ngikhulumela indaba ukuthi, you know, sometimes you need that season where you're just gonna be selfish about you, you know, where you're gonna focus on you, you know, about bathina abanye abantu, like you awusaza lutho because you understand where you're trying to go now, yabo. So now you just wanna fly, yabo, kade uzama njengesparrow fethu ulokuthi phinde uwe, yabo, manje ufuna ukufly ngempela, you know. So kona fethu ukusiza kuhle, yabo, hayi ukuthi asisizi, but hayi wisdom manje kumele uyisebenzise uma usiza braso, yabo, ungayi ngalahle enhliziyo ngoba yabo lahle enhliziyo, yabona fethu lo mjita lo uyadela iras Grootman, yabona fethu, yabona in life fethu lento ukuthi sifuna uku-achieve izinto ey'nkulu uyayidinga leya mindset engahambi ngenhliziyo kakhulu, because lento enhliziyo bese sometimes azi bese inakho ukubhayizisa nje, yabo, ayi serious bese yabo. No, honestly, you know, inakho nje ukubhayizisa bese, because sometimes you end up umuntu fethu ozogqemeka nje and ugcina usubleeda manje, yabo. When the next thing usulokhu uthi hey abantu bawukuthi kanti wena ubukade ubhayisa, hamba uyivula uyisakaza lenhliziyo babe bayirhevula abantu benhliziyo ngoba phela ufuna ukusiza wena wonke umuntu, yabo. So na fethu lento ayishoyo umjaja uyayidinga leya wisdom nayo iyakusiza ngoba lento leyo ngamanye kuthiwa hayi ngoba phela futhi-ke banayo-ke lento abantu yokuthi hhayi wena usungcono awusasizi manje, yabo, kashaya cima bakwenza ufile bad-ke manje ngokuthi sewunesinkwa esincane ositholayo, yabo.
Yeah, but I think I went back home. You know, I also when I work at this because I feel like we spend so much time ngala, still ngala, and you see this when you go outside, you hear people talking to you and they're proud of you, yabo, and they're telling you all these other things. Feta, you're doing very well. I'm happy for you. Keep on pushing. Nan, it's nice, yabo. But it's easy for you to get lost in all those words. Because now you're thinking, hey, I've done everything I wanted to do, yabo. Because I'm saying for me, yabo. But you see, the feeling you get when you get home and you see the excitement and they looking at you as someone you left home with nothing, and then you came back with the name that's carrying them outside. Yabo? And then when they reflect, they show you about jail direct. They tell you bit by bit, I saw this about you. Hey, you made us happy about this. I'm very proud of you for doing this. Keep doing this. And then kancane it gets to you good. Hey, these people are not telling, they may not tell you, but they're paying attention. Yeah. So as much as you think everything you're doing means so much to you, it means more to them. Yeah. They able to go outside and say, I was a car. Unfortunately, but when I was at home, my two uncles, my oleti, my sisters, my siblings, I call them siblings, but cousin dog, they were very happy. They were happy. We had a conversation. There's even ingane seyikhulile engayishiyazi incane ezinye ingakazalwa, yabo, because we enjoy ufika ngiqu sengihambile yabo. You don't give them you don't give them that time to have a conversation with you. They end up telling you things that you need to be careful of this. You need to work on this about yourself. You need to, then when you sit alone and you reflect on those things, you think to yourself, yeah, it's back on the level of it. But someone else's cards, I guess when you try by all means what you need to please the outside world. Until where it matters is back where you come from. Everything you do outside is a reflection of everything they taught you, or maybe every word they used to tell you, or maybe they told you. So when you go out and you think, when you face the world, you know, which has in ikamale uncle liyangihlaba. Yabo. So and also mina bese ngiba ngihlezi ngisho ngivinale yanhlanhla ukuthi ekhaya this we're very united, yabo. Sinale energy ukuthi mesihlangene sonke akekho ozothi wena switch ethi ngcono. They very inquisitive, bayathanda ukubuza. Hey, ukuthi uthamba kanjani? Hey, ukuthi uthamba kanjani? So that's what made me happy. About there's a time where we sat outside McNet. Hleli nama uncle othu. It was raining, heavy rain. Le the nets and gents we niyaqala ngala ngasekhaya. Sihleli besiyibuka kanje, sekuvrand, siyibuka nje. Seyixoxela. It was a nice feeling online.
Family njalo. Awona manje makusondela uDecember abantu abaningi bethi bavela ukuthi abahayi baba ne-anxiety serious. Because umuntu ucabanga leya situation yakuba abuyela kubo uyawumndeni uyazi kuba kuyinyova ongayazi. Yabo manje uyabikela ukuthi hey nawo lo December fanele ngibuyele laphana kulabantu. Hey.
Uzwahamba ngekho mnandi.
Akumnandi yabo. We-escape phela iyona le ayithola ukuthi ahamba ayosebenza kupho ayofunda kupho manje kubuyela khona isimo asikashintshe sisenjengoba kade umnandi la usinyisa ko-Instagram la eThekwini uyabuyela le sekulindile isimo sithi come back sela and awukwazi ukubaleka kini abantu ngoDisemba sebemakubo wena usukuhlele uthi noma waya kamthithi uthi yokosama khona no uzoxoshwa awulotsheni yowaziwa hamba kini
ayikazi kushaya leya feeling ukuthi mezathi mhla ka 20 21 22 23 December isho ngaphakathi kwena uthi I should be at home.
Yasho
man.
La nombolo phela ikhandiwe yabona kuyimanje bese manje bro you go mamos itone is set up here for Christmas.
It's family month.
You know bro.
Ufuna wonke umuntu emabona badonsa izingane hamba as a family mina akangishaya online
naka nama advert alokho eshile
yakushaya
I mean ngeke ngishaye ngoba ingifica ngisendlini at home ngisekhaya. I go home nje from the 21st, like my wife I'm sending her first to go nje for a few weeks. Ngifuna hlale with my mom and then ngizohamba nami. It's like it's written somewhere in the ethos ukuthi December you go home. I even go to the church that I used to go to. December 31st, I can't go to any other church but the church at home with the family. So going into the new year as a family, as a unit, it's very important.
Kunabantu omnyanya uDecember bro. Abantu ozoda uDecember. Unyanye futhi umbona ukuthi azakhiphele kubanye abantu ubona ukuthi engalo nositshela ngomase athuka inhlambu bot lo libele lo. So la nyanga ngiya-expose ana bras ngoba manje yonke into and especially uma babona futhi abantu bene-family yabo wena but you don't have it iyakushala nombolo le iyakuvithiza ngempela because other people bro like abanawo at all ama-family awekho kwakona mhlawumbe sokwaphela kubo fethu yabo. And so manje mase kufika ku-December uyivule fethu abe ne-anxiety serious fethu yabo, and uyabona ukuthi you know what ayikho le ngcono vele ngisemashini nami ngivele nje ngibishise strong ukuze ngicime lento ngalo ngicabanga nendaba ama-family ngivele nje ngibe loose into ongayazi yabo, cause vele naleya mood yasethwa ngo-December ukuthi no, live your best life. And
On the 25th, base groove. Ufunani groove. Mhla 25.
25 yacabanga
yazi kunabantu abashaya ama-restaurant mhla 25 ayavula ama-restaurant.
Yeah. Cabanga nje.
Family May.
lapho wet
Christmas Family May.
lapho hamba wet
How?
awuthi ulokhu uyiduduza ukuthi anginandaba.
Unendaba unama.
Wait. So guys, what are you trying to say?
Kanti kuthinta phakathi khuluma mfethu.
No, we're saying bro
No.
lapha ibhlungu le nto fethu yabo, and it's a very sensitive things because like bengisalokhu zela u-Ace la ukuthi bro, you know, you should be you are blessed to have a family that, you know, kunama families fethu la, you know, nje engekho khona lento kubambisana mawuDecember nje fethu kuyaziwa bras ukuthi hey khona bazofika bayeza bazoyisusa yabo, umzali uyabikela fethu bayabuya bazwana, these are siblings bro, you know, and uyazi fethu khona lona lozofika necross yakhe azoyipheka nezingane zakhe, kodwa la sizodla uDecember sonke la yabo. So there's so much and there's pressure ukuthi umunye wahamba abe mthenge abe yilutho
Uzogcwaliseka.
yabo, wafika wapopa la
Boy.
into sesihamba kahle manje uthi ngiyobanyisa yabo, ngiyobanyisa ngangishilo yabo yonke lo. So nje manje kunaleyo nto and plus sibhekile kwayihambile yabo, simlindele nawe uyazi ukuthi ulinde uzosinyisa cause phela manje nanithe you never amount to anything, namthuka nathi nathi akahamba
Serenti Ferrari. Ubuya nalo.
Hey, ngishaya i-conversation ngi-out sibethi out here sixoxa randomly nje ngama-experiences cishe afana nalawo going back home yabo. So we end up talking about because I saw a post on TikTok yabo. There's someone Ntombazane they posted on TikTok ukuthi yona mfethu kubo bayixolele amaresa akavalwa. So ayikazi yogoduka. Meanwhile, you know very well ukuthi amaresa avalwa end of amanye asevaliwe but amanye avalwa end of November, right? But you know abafuna ukugodiwa to a point where they bakhanda ama-story and then they want to go live with friends, or if we have a boyfriend they will go and ask you, can I come stay with you for this number of days yabo. Then I'm asking umthetho uthini cause yonke lento ngitshela umthetho uthi it could be so many things.
Yeah.
Ezinye ingane zihamba ekhaya, it was an escape yabo, ukuthi as in isikole is an escape. I found my own life outside ekhaya because I'm not happy at home. Kunaleya ncindezelo ekhona. So now when it's time uDecember uyakutshela uNovember, actually uNovember uthi mawuthi mid month usukutshela ukuthi isikhathi sokugoduka 30 November isikhathi sokugoduka yabo. So uDecember already uyakudemand ukuthi by end of November pack, because ekugcineni you have a limited time la eres or wherever la uhlala khona yabo, if it's a accommodation for students or whatever yabo. So you have limited time. By end of November you need to evacuate, go back home, spend 2 months of depression. Depressed uhlele ekhaya ngixabana ne-olet njalo bakuvuse ngo5 futhi uyavuka ngo5 kuthiwa ngo7, so sefuneka abanye banengade mabambanye lokhuze ekhaya ambanye washa nwashela wonke umuntu okhona la ekhaya. So senibanga zonke lezo zinto, which is life you've never signed up for. That's why you chose ukuthi azini ngoba sengimdala wasengithe ukukhula kancane ngathi ngiyofunda evarsity, but evarsity wafuka funda impilo yokuthi azini this is the life I actually want to live, because lapha yonke into is very easy. You get to thola indawo ezowasha ngemshini, for example. Mina nabangani ngiyahlanganisela lo 100 nihambe niyoyidlalela la nihleli khona ni-relaxele. La ekhaya uthi umuvuka nje 7 ekseni thiwa wenzela bonke umuntu kuhle ewuthi wabuka bonke abantu bawu8 uwe lo uyathosa ugcoba izikho fune uyilethe labantu bebeqeda kuthiwa sorry wena ntombazana la ekhaya cela siwashele izitsha emini hayi bokuthi uyaphuma intombazana ayilali uzikushaya lesikhathi so abanye ba-escape lezo zinto ade usho leyo amjida but that's why you finding abantu they so committed with bona bafuna ukuyogrow because they want to live their best lives yabo they struggling with so many things emakhaya abafuna ukuba free kuzona and njengoba sithi khona abantu ngey'nsuku ey'balulekile ama-family days day of reconciliation kuthiwa yini manje family day so bazofuna ukuhlala lapha ndawonye as i-family uyayibalekela rather I go out ngihlangane nabangani bami have fun than ukuthi ngihlala la because the minute sahlangana kanje izigcina ingaphilanga kahle sesikhumbuzana ukuthi phela ungakhohlwa wenze ukuthi wena wena wenze
Sekeliwayo.
seyayiwa
Blaziye futhi.
yabo
Lo uncle kumele aphuze. Asephuzile. Ungashiya.
Avela khala umntasi.
hey
Azisho
ayihlukumeze ingane mahamda bhuti.
Yeah, but I'm happy, Shurex, you mentioned that point in that story.
Which one?
Sakhona le arts of uxoxa nayo, because really this thing is deeper for abanye abantu, ne?
Yeah.
And sometimes when you talk like this, then I'm shame umuntu. Sometimes these things happen for different reasons and different circumstances.
Yeah.
Yeah, well. So sometimes coming from a point of privilege,
Yeah.
you end up saying things, not paying attention ukuthi komunye umuntu le experience njani.
It's different.
Yeah, because really abanye abantu abayikhethelanga vele.
Yeah.
Abayikhethelanga. Like khona esinye istory esinye out mfethu ngaye ngasifunda ku Twitter la out igodukile iqeda kwakhe edladleni. Isispana grand yona neOledi neSister. Nikeza ikhadi Oledi tha Oledi ngoba ku December awudale la izinto zasedladleni. Hawu. Alivuka ngene Oledi la withdraw imali kusasekuseni hamba neSister.
Efire izinto.
Hawu. Kanjani manje Oledi? Ulibuza uthini? Like zonke yazi le out yathi mibhala yathi hayi dating vele ngapheka ngagodu ngabuyela la.
Wenza bang-exploit lapha.
Machine.
Aba-appreciate.
And la withdraw imali ridiculous. Lithi lifuna ukwenzela i-sister something. Without even consulting i-art.
Ayena ngachazanga la.
Yo.
Yeah, it's
So-
different stories for everyone.
Izinto ekanjalo njengazo lezi ngane lezi ezisemarez. So that's why I was asking ukuthi nithini pho kulabanye abantu ukuthi like how can they approach this, because ekugcineni kosuku we really need to emphasize ipoint lokuthi umndeni ubalekile,
Yeah.
and then we really need to emphasize ipoint lokuthi kubalekile ukuthi si create imindeni right, yabo.
True.
And kubalekile ukuthi si understand ukuthi sibancane sinje we can have a positive impact edladleni, yabo. Wena ungenza kahle kahle ikhaya lakho libe warm, noma ngathiwa baxabana kanjani abantu abadala musufikile, you have a way umncane unjalo yokuthi wena wenze kube nenjabulo ekhaya kube ikhaya.
Ube yi-postic.
Zizinokususana ngokhisimusi sekudekwa amatafula. Hayi la vele ubone khona ukuthi noma ningapretenda nithini ku-Instagram umndeni fana.
But and two phela ubuhlala
Susana isijakane khona la
usuhlala wedwa.
ekuseni.
But you used to waking up at 10. Sibafuna ivusa
Indaba
ngo-6.
yomndeni especially kodaki.
Hayi, no,
Kuyikosti leyo ukuthi siwuprioritize ngoDisemba unyaka wonke ubukuphi. Ngama-East ubukuphi.
Sesodlala i-happy family.
Sesodlala i-happy family ngoDisemba ngoba
Doesn't
nakusibona
last.
ama-advert.
Day 1, day 2, day 3.
Jack,
Mashila.
khululeka if awujwayele ukuvisit ekhaya.
Yeah.
Day 1 exciting. Day
Day
2
two.
baqale bakucasule ngokuthi bakuthumile nje esikhaleni unga-understand ungathumela manje. Kodwa ngidlulisa inkomishi lo okanye ngithume esitolo ngaphathiswa manje. Day 3 usuphelile ke.
Hayi lapho ubona ukuthi
Abona ke day 5 ioledi alisena kwandaba nawe. Ethama basekwa
Banempilo.
into ebebakhomba le nale leyampatha.
Sebetshela nokuthi hey kungcolile lapha egcina ambanyokheni. Mina yabo nje mina ngigcina ngikhila nama-uncle. Ngizapost video
Khaliping for sure khona.
ngiklina igceke Jack.
Yeah.
Nge-spade nehali
Yeah.
No, but for me, things like that, man, you know, one of the things that kills people is you come to town and you think now you're a town boy.
Yeah,
No.
you're not.
When you go home, you're the son. You're the man. Lana ngoba unemali, you know, you're running these hands, you're doing your thing. But when you go home, they're still seeing this boy waphuma la. Wathi wenza imali. Sebuyile umfana wethu. Mfana, take the broom la bushane.
Or maybe then people should have that understanding. Ukuthi uma usufika ekhaya uyingane.
Uyingane.
No,
You always
so that lama rules ingaziwe.
But umama uyangithuma mina athi no, go get me some water. Ngihambe ngimthelela amanzi. And sometimes she's close to the kitchen. Mina I'm in the room. Athi Jack, ngiphume. Ngithi ma, ngithela amanzi.
uyaxotha ula nje.
Yes, kodwa yini enye ibuhlungu. Because I sit sometimes nabantu bekuxoxa isitori sabo uthola ukuthi ingane encane ise-university.
Yeah.
Ise-university, ingane encane intombazane ise-university uma usekhaya nezingane zakube ezinye ezincane, ne? Ingane isencane e-university uma uyicela imali yegross. Ise-university ingane already.
Yeah.
Yona leyo ngane is expected ukuthi isende imali yegross. Ayisebenzi. Is expected ukuthi isende imali yegross. So le ngane usuyinikeze irole ukuthi ngazuthi umuntu omdala because of ama responsibilities ewakherishayo. Because uma ifika la endlini, uma ifika la ekhaya kumele icabangele umndeni, icabangele nosisibani. Mithenga something kumele ithenge losisibani. Impahla, kudingakala something esikoleni forces okanye kudingakala something forces emsebenzini omunye ushoda ngemali yokugibela kufonela yona kwenziwana. And then now bese kuthiwe mase ubuye ekhaya ozoba ingane. And futhi mase usekhaya futhi uba ingane umama ethanda uphinde ube responsible ube mdala futhi mase unga i-contradicta lapha I think.
I mean, I'm going to say ukuthi it depends on you. Mina at home, the money I make, I know ngizwile kahle ngizoyiphendula kahle. No, yeka ngiphendule and then uzongitshela if ngishaya.
Ngaphenduli ngithi.
Cela ukuyiphendula.
Isitori somuntu lesi ngisixoxa.
Nami ngifuna ukukhuluma yami isitori.
Okay,
ukuthi I'm basically trying to say that
Yeah.
it's different for each individual because mina I'm in that exact same boat where 40% of my income goes straight to my family. I pay the rent.
Ingane sevasithi nje.
No, listen, I started paying rent. Mina, remember, I started sending money home. Ngisafunda. I was the first person to bring groceries. I was in grade 10.
Okay.
I came with groceries home when I was in grade 10.
Yeah.
I started supporting my family financially because remember when I got to matric, ngavula istolo mina. I opened a internet cafe and then I opened e-learning center. I was making good money and I was still a kid at home. The point I'm making is that it's one of those things where it's about you. You know, the thing with making money is it comes with this ego and this boost in your self-confidence where even your uncles, I have uncles that I earn 10 times what they make. 10 times, maybe even 20 times what they make. But they will always stay my uncle. Even if I was in varsity making that money, when I come home, there's a hierarchy that is established by age, not by income, not by wisdom, by age. Even a brother of mine that I feel like I know better than them, that I make more than them. But when we go home, we put that title, you know, I'm a CEO, I'm a business owner. Or, no, we come home and we take your position based on age. That's the point I'm making, Guti. It can happen with you in varsity and you know the situation at home is bad. When Asutoli N is fast, you know how to live on 400, 500. And now you're sending 500 home. Doesn't mean when you go home now, we're not paying over. No. When you go home, and I'm not saying that everyone can take that the same way, but it is possible because it's something that I've lived. Where, you know, this is another dilemma you must think of. I sometimes used to ask God, why was I not born the firstborn? It troubled me, this thing, because in so many things, I'm first. The first to buy food home. I pay the rent I pay my mom a salary. I pay even some of my elder siblings. I'm supporting, you see. But it would hurt me because I would want to have a level of authority that comes with being the firstborn, but I can never have that authority. Even though I can support someone who's the firstborn. You get what I'm saying? So I'm saying that as an individual, even if God puts you in a position where you are making more, but there's a reason He made you being born fourth or fifth. There's a reason you came after your uncles. If God wanted you to be that uncle or He wanted you to be the parent, you're going to be the parents. The fact that uinganyak, you will always be your mother's kid. That's the point I'm making. And I'm not contradicting your story because your story is true. It's someone's experience. But I'm saying to that story, it should not be that because ngenzi imali, I somehow now can't be sent to go carry water. That's my personal opinion.
I think yeah, ngakuvumela le that dish ngasekhaya, especially ngasekhaya mina where I grew up, indaba yokuthi ubani unana asebenza.
Shulex, yazi mfethu uJake kushuthi mhlamba akayizwanga lento. Ngixoxa sengaze ngimbiza igama lakhe lo sisi. Ingane encane intombazane ifunda evarsity. I-Olida alicela i400. Licela 15, 30, 50.
Blocks.
Umenza something kumele enze something edlaleni. Intombazana ayisebenzi, uyazi i-Olida intombazana ayisebenzi. Hence
Ayikho leyo nto. Mina ngayiphika le story from the onset because there's no way bangaqala nje bacela u50k ungasebenzi uyingane esevasi uma ukakufonele
50 blocks.
that means bayabona ukuthi uyayenza imali. Ayikho leyo nto bro. Ngeke bakufonele ekhaya bathi sicela u50k, we just sent you to varsity, sicela u50k, yena uyithola up. That means bayazi ukuthi une potential ukwenza imali. Oh, uyayenza imali.
Ngifuna ukanisa clarify qala.
50k.
1000.
yes.
Ezevasithi.
Ngimfone yabo masiqeda la ngizomfona.
Ah, no, kodwa mina
Okay,
bethi ufike
Does
kanjani
she
ukuthi
show
bamcela-
any signs of making money?
She was probably showing signs ukuthi uyayenza imali.
So usually with black parents, this is how
Ngifonele.
this is how
Fonele lo muntu.
yeah, so Bafet, so usually with black parents, this is how it usually starts, ne? Oledi linyilanga usually ilone likusupportayo, ne? Somehow liye kukusupporta mhlambe likuchazela inkinga. Okwakhe ku different, but I'm just talking general using my experience and other experiences. Kube khona la likhatha khona umpompi bese licele wena ifavor, liqale ngento encane, liqale ngento enkulu, liqale ngento enkulu bese linyuke, yabo? And then lapho sele establish ukuthi ukiphi bracket. And then that's how they get to 50. Yabo?
Now bese
It's-
uyablock.
Yes.
Uthenga into engaka.
Yeah, because i-OLED lakho mfethu. Sometimes now uma uthenga something uzokhombisa ku-OLED.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Yes. So i-OLED likumathenda, ne? Likulezinto zamathenda.
Yeah.
Imali nenkinga e-financial. Ngani mfethu, yazi ngidinga into ukuthi liqale ko5, 10. Lanyuka Shodex mfethu. Ah mfethu, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngizomfonela.
Nkanyiso cela ungilalele nami kancane mfethu. Mina ngithi it did not start with ukumfonela amcela u50. Ubonile ukuthi ingane yakhe ine capacity to make
Nami
u50k.
ngiqeda kusho lokho.
So I'm saying that in this story, ne,
Mhm.
even if when she goes home usayingane.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi usendele
Mina
uma
nami siya-understand ukuthi akuhluki lokho. ne?
yeah.
Yeah.
I know then
Mina thina sabathu siya-understand
I
ukuthi
did.
uyingane.
usayingane.
However, into engishilo kuleyo point ukuthi then uma usufika ekhaya kune role yokuthi kumele uya-understand ukuthi kumele ube yingane.
Uphinde
But
ube-
uba ingane i-already malithanda. Ma ukuthi kanjani wena u-responsible.
Uphinde ube
Kwezinye
provide.
because kumele unakekele ingane zakini ne-already on top of that. Yabo? Ma uthanda ma ukuthi sometimes usuyaphendula okanye unikeza advice ekuthiwa uyaphendula isabi kanti liyabuya i-already lizobuza i-advice. Do you get what I'm saying? So if i-contradict lapha, it's not like ukuthi wena i-role yakho uyi-understand.
I get you.
Uyingane, yabo?
Ukuthi-
But manje uyingane ma kwenze njani makuthanda ba?
Nkanyiso.
Ukuthi the minutes in life, I think for everyone, so I feel like once waqala umuntu wazi provide usumdala in terms of taking care of things
Sure.
and responsibilities, umdala. Awusakwazi ubuka njengengane when it comes to that. Iphayithe lakho lithi usumdala. But by age, because there's a hierarchy of a family tree. Kunogogo, kunomkhulu, kunobani. You can't be older than them by age. Yabo? But just know ukuthi should anything happen, bayakhumbula ukuthi wena iphakethe lakho lidala phela. Ileyo nto ngizama ngisho ukuthi sekufanele siphindele kuwena ngane la ekhaya kodwa endala la ephaketheni. Mfethu sekwenzeka into kanje ufuna ilungiswe la but awuyenze wena.
Okay, so let's look at this thing. Okay, let's look. Asenze umzekelo ngo December no January, ne?
Yeah.
Ngo January ingane zibuyile esikoleni.
Yeah.
Ngo December siya bhiyoza. wena as a responsible person edladleni uyacabanga ukuthi bafethu asibhiyoze ngoJanuary siphinde
iy'ngane zakho ezesikoleni.
yeah awusacabanga ngisho nanephakethe kwezinye ukuthi fethu that's you being responsible ukuthi manje usuzama ukulimit ezinye izinto khona la edladleni ukuthi bafethu kuseJanuary and then bese
yazi abazali bane gift enzima yokuthi bakwazi ukunotice ingane ezoba responsible, bakwazi ukunotice ingane engeke ibe responsible. Doesn't matter ukuthi i-age ithini. Uyakwazi ukuthi kwi-family nibe ba-5 uthi wena ula bonke laba abadala kunabo abekho responsible, but when you're responsible and somehow izinto zakho zivele zikwenzakalele wena and then uma wakho end up angasakunaka kakhulu uthi khona lo idomoroza serious futhi yonke into yakhe akanandaba yakho responsible uyi-freestylela, but somehow the day lo ongekho responsible mhlawumbe afike nesinkwa ayolanga uma wakho awumemeza wathenga umhlaba wonke ukuthi uthengise kodwa nuhlezi ulethe oplastic la, you know. So I feel like lento I think abazali bona ababonayo mfethu umuntu ozoba responsible nongeke responsible, and they tend to lean more kulo, you know, or responsible than lo ongekho responsible. In cases that I've seen, some even we family, you know, where you have if it's abantu abangenandaba bese yazwa ubotha hala ndaba lo, but khona nje oyi-one or responsible and uyena othwele yonke but uyayidlala irole yakhe, you know, njengengane.
Sure. I want to add to that point, Uguti. That's basically how you have to play it, because as I was saying, I used to ask God, Uguti, why was I not born? Firstborn. Ngoba I'm looking at my family, I'm saying, if I was born the firstborn, I feel like I could have been able to influence certain things even better. You know, there were times where my dad would only take the firstborn and the secondborn everywhere. Mina, angshi. But I felt like I understood him better. But just because I was the thirdborn, sad. They're going to have a family meeting. But I said the firstborn, the secondborn. And I'm sitting, I'm thinking, how do they know the ideas I have? The wisdom God has given me. But I'm the thirdborn. I will stay the thirdborn. And sometimes I would ask him questions. And my dad was very deep in his responses. And I think he had awareness of age, because he would always hit me with, how old are you? I'm 9. If I start answering you now, you'll only understand when you're 12. But the good thing is when you're 12, I won't have to answer you. If you're good 12, and I understand, look at 9-year-old me is dumb. There's no wisdom I was going to give these people in 9. But when I was 9, I felt like I figured life out. You understand what I'm saying? So even when you get to a position where you can create, like this, the way I help my younger brother and the way I help my other brothers, my small brother, I'm phoning the man and say, hey, where are you? I need you here now. But same opportunity, call my older brother. Hey, big bro, I want to see if you have time. There's something that is coming up. I don't know if I'm not trying to disturb you. You know, mannerism approach. That's what I'm saying. When I came to Durban, I went back, I just took my younger brother. I fought with my mom to take him. It wasn't, come, boy. No, my mom was like, hey, this boy is in varsity. What you mean come to Durban and leave varsity? I said, Ma, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Do you understand the risk I'm taking, gambling with this boy's life? But it paid off. Do you understand? But the approach, even with my mom, there was a day I realized that people who are older than you are just people born before you. There's no huge difference. It was a day me and my mom got stuck at the same problem. When my mom looked at me and is like, when I check the king, I was so shocked. I was like, "How ma? What's going on?" Sure. I realized that means my dad is just me a few years ahead of me. Now he's 23, he understands things, but hey, he was shocked and got to 40. So in that, what I'm trying to say is that just because you're blessed in a family, you need to understand your role. You know, I even have this theory that I've created, Uguti. God has given me the wisdom and the blessings that I have so that I can help those who don't have the wisdoms and the blessings that I have in my family. And my measure of success is if I succeed in doing that role. Because I'm blessed, I can live comfortably, but it doesn't make sense for me to move the way I move and my younger brother can't afford bread. Doesn't make sense. It's like, okay, you've succeeded, but at what cost? You've succeeded, but you failed your brother. You understand? Those are the things that you need to get. You need to understand that life is dynamic. Just because you're making 50K doesn't mean now go dishonor your mom. Hey, I'm the one paying the rent. I have paid the rent at home, but I'm still a boy. And there's times where I'll get stuck and I need my mother's wisdom. I need my mother's prayer. But if I thought I was too wise or too smart because I started making money young, I would not have those opportunities to say, Ma, things like, hey, I need your help. I need your prayer. I need your love. I need your support. So this is just to anyone who's in that position where God has blessed you with money. You're not the firstborn. You're not the uncle. You're not the older person. You have to deal with older people that you feel you know better than, and that you feel that they should be listening to you, but they won't listen to you because you're a kid. Understand that your measure of success is getting them to do your will without challenging their authority and power. It's beautiful when you get it right.
Indwazi le imasha ngempela.
Hawu chocolate.
Hayi.
Hawu chocolate.
Nah, man, I think sizoyivala. Well, this is it's a very sensitive topic le into zama family fethu ngoba
Yeah.
sonke fethu yabo sineyinkinga zolona lo onenkinga yakhe because manje asifuna ukuthi la sithi mhlambe sesifuna ngoba abaningi bethu asikabi nawo ethu ama-family ngaphandle ka-Jack Laws eshadele manje sifike la sithi hayi nayo i-blueprint ye-family. But what we're trying to say kahle la ukuthi you need to find a way, you know, how you maneuver the whole situation, but keep understanding ukuthi useyingane and just play your role. Lokunye nokunye, because sometimes you get caught up kwipolitiki yabo yemndeni yabo uyithola usuthatha amasayidi yonke le nonsense le. Kanti just play your role as ingane and then nokunye nje uphume ngona. So yeah, ilokho angani noma khona engikushiyayo Ndrazo.
No, not really, no.
Yeah, siyayiqoqa manje yabo yabona imasha engempela.
Don't think so.
Noma ukhona ufuna ukuqeda.
Say God, please. But I just wish kula bantu abadila nalezi inkinga lezi emndenini, they can find ways to educate themselves more than anything. Yabo? And understand lama dynamics abadlula kuwona. Because as I said, ukuthi kungenzeka umncane unjalo, uthola ukuthi wena ozoba iglue yokunamathisela lo mndeni lo, umndeni ube united. But ezinye izinto ke mazenzeka empilweni kuba ngazi ukuthi mhlambe zenzeka ngoba uzophanishwa, yabo? Because suke zikutest okwangempela, yabo? Because now usuke unga-understand uyingane mfethu and you think you're doing good, yabo? Only to realize ukuthi after sengenze kanje still
It's not enough.
Yes, I go to
do you get what I'm saying? So in danger, I just hope they can find wisdom wherever they can go. But mina inkinga yami anginayo advice because I can only talk from my experiences. Because abanye abantu mabedila nayo into mfethu sebekuxoxela usawabona ama-emotions nama-dynamics kule mindeni yabo. That's when you start to understand, my brother. I wish noma ngathi uyayifastela le mpahla uyithandazele okwami uthola amabhuku azokhuluma nawe akucebise kahle because mina whatever I can say, yabo? Because mina I can speak proudly ukuthi ekhaya ngi-responsible, yabo? How every role yami ngi-understand that to the T. But I can't take that and give it to you as an advice. Unganyanyi umlifu zami uku-apply lo mpahla.
Yeah.
Yabo? That's that. And thanks to the wisdom that I found, and mina-ke, I think knowledge enginayo ngayithola kuma-podcast, ngayithola kumabhuku, and then ngabuza nakubangani bami abadala. because menginenkinga edladleni ngibuza i-ankele elidala, ngibuze mhlambe nginama-ankele amadala awu-2 engibuza kuwona ezinye izinto bese ngibuze nakubangani bami abawu-2 abadala ukuthi fethu into kanje nakanje, yabo.
Ngenzani?
And those people uma bekunikeza advice khumbula ukuthi abanayo i-understanding yama-dynamics akini, yabo. Nayo uma uyithatha with a grain of salt bese uyi-aplya ngendlela wena ozoyi-aplya ngayo, that's that. But mina ukuthi ngithi ngizokunikeza advice, hayi but umjakadula usesisizile. Thank you mjakadula.
Donkey. Yeah, well, what's the thing I said the last time? All advice can be good, but not all advice must be taken. Hey,
Yeah.
always remember that. Hey,
Dank Emachiten.
Danke Majidi.
Siyabonga. Sibonga kakhulu, hayi imashile sesiyayivala. Hayi izwe.
Mashe kakhulu.
subscribe now.